everyone, I'm Kristen Cireles and I'm going to discuss about the try-question method. Try-question method is one of enabling strategies, but now we will focus on try-question method. So, what is try-question method? According to my source, try-question method to be used in conduct of current event lesson. So, for example, our teacher is teaching us a story, teaching or telling us a story. So, our teacher, before going to tell a story, they will have a trick question to be given to us. So we will know what was that trick question that they will be given. So another definition based on Carrie Gollion's teaching model, it usually used in teaching history or past. So it's like also in telling a story of a teacher. They give us a story like about history, about World War One, World War Two. So they teaching this method is usually used in maybe in a current event or lesson or about it's all about history or past. It may be used also in other story. These are sample of try question method. First is what happened. Next, why did it happen? And last, what was the effect of the event? So for example, in World War One, so before a teacher tell us what was happened in World War One, so the teacher may give us three questions. This is what happened, why did it happen, and what was the effect of the event. So this three question is a guide to us to fully understand what was the story all about and what is the effect of the event and what is the uh, importance of the uh, what is the importance of that event or a history. Let us discuss the first question. So it is what happened. For example, in World History 1, the teacher tell us about uh, what what's in the World War One. So we will carefully listen the history and we will find out what was happened in that event. Second is why did it happen? So if we finish listening the story about World War One, so we will analyze why did it happen, and lastly, what was the effect of the event. So we will reflect what was what was the effect of that event in World War One. What is the importance of the try question method? So the importance of try question is a most effective approach is the use of try question approach of three-way shuffle. This is a simple set of restora- restorative questions to help parties in conflict to hear each other and when appropriate find solution to the problem. So as I said lately that the three question is way of to be our story will be effective in teaching, because these three questions may be of the guide to analyze and fully understand what was the story all about. So that three question is very important for us uh, to more focus on what we are trying to learn. And that's all my report. Thank you.